Once upon a time, in the heart of winter, there lived an adventurous soul named Alex. His passion for exploring the great outdoors knew no bounds, and he yearned to immerse himself in thrilling escapades. One fateful day, Alex embarked on a daring expedition with his ingeniously crafted truck camper. This cozy, homemade camper was a labor of love, meticulously designed with all the necessities for an epic outdoor adventure. Driven by curiosity, Alex set out on an awe-inspiring journey into the heart of nature's winter realm. The path ahead seemed promising, with visions of snowy landscapes and shimmering frost in their mind's eye. Yet, as fate would have it, Mother Nature had a different plan. Unbeknownst to Alex, a mighty snowstorm was brewing on the horizon. The sky darkened, and snowflakes began to dance gracefully from above, heralding the arrival of the tempest. Caught in the throes of an unexpected and epic snowstorm, Alex found himself in a challenging situation. Undeterred, he navigated his truck camper cautiously, seeking shelter and solace amidst the unyielding snowfall. Finally, in a serene corner of the wilderness, Alex found a safe haven to weather the relentless storm. They skillfully parked their camper, feeling grateful for the warm and inviting sanctuary he had crafted. Inside the camper's snug interior, Alex huddled close to the crackling fireplace, cocooned within layers of soft blankets. The camper's walls provided an intimate cocoon, shielding him from the icy embrace of the snowstorm outside. In the company of his cherished books and a steaming cup of hot cocoa, Alex watched in awe as the snowstorm roared, painting the world in a breathtaking shade of white. The gentle rhythm of the falling snowflakes created a soothing melody, and the camper's interior felt like a haven of peace amid the winter storm. As the night sky enveloped the landscape, the storm's intensity subsided. With the camper's roof as a window to the stars, Alex marveled at the celestial tapestry above, feeling a profound connection to the universe. The following morning, the sun emerged from behind the clouds, casting a radiant glow on the outside winter wonderland. Venturing out, Alex was greeted by an enchanting scene, as if a painter had meticulously adorned the world with a pristine, white canvas. Stepping onto the glistening snow, Alex felt a sense of wonder and appreciation for the beauty that surrounded them. He breathed in the crisp, fresh air and reveled in the tranquility of the snow-kissed landscape. From that day forward, every winter held a special allure for Alex. He continued his adventures, embracing the unpredictability of nature and the enchanting charm of his homemade truck camper. Through snowstorms and sunny days, Alex cherished each moment, knowing that the essence of life lay in the unscripted tales that unfolded with every journey. His heart brimmed with gratitude for the camaraderie of his camper, a trusted companion that safeguarded him through nature's most formidable displays. In the warm glow of their camper's hearth, Alex found solace in the simplicity of the world outside and the serenity within. With each adventure, he discovered that the greatest stories often emerged from the midst of the wildest snowstorms.